Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So in today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration, roof decoration and more. So if you like this video, so please guys don't forget to like and comment and share with your friends and families. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So I hope you all are doing good. So let's start the video. So you can see the first this picture, you can see the down, you can see the lights and the TV decoration. It is very beautiful, and the up you can see the decoration looking very beautiful. The fence and the side walls and the lightings looking very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the lines and the roof, and the decoration is very beautiful. They did not finish even the decoration, but it is looking from before, it is looking very good too. So you can see the another picture, you can see the flowers. I think so this is the flowers, beautiful flowers. So you can see this one, the beautiful flowers you can see here, and you can see this one also, the lines was black color, and you can see this one also, the another next picture you can see the cotton you can see, and the decoration, the lights and all looking very beautiful. This one also looking the decoration and the lights looking very beautiful, guys. So you can see the this one, the lines and the all looking very beautiful, looking very attractive. This is also very beautiful place. You can see the lights and all the up lights you can see looking very beautiful. The fence and the curtains looking very grateful, and you can see the lamps and all looking beautiful. And you can see this one also, it is a dining table, a beautiful dining table. You can see beautiful dining table, you can see looking very beautiful also. You can see the lamp and all, and you can see this one also, the lights and all looking very beautiful lights, and the decoration is very beautiful decoration for this one, the black color lines and all. This one also, the up you can see the lines and all, and the cupboards you can see the cupboards looking very beautiful cupboards you can see. As you can see, this one also very beautiful. You can see the colors and the lightings looking very beautiful, lightings and the ring type lights they put, and this one also a same color. The decoration you can see in the back, the up of the this one bed you can see the decoration very beautiful decoration. And you can see this one, so they are doing decoration for this one, looking very beautiful decoration. And you can see the lights and the lamp, it is like very beautiful, bros. I don't know what to tell, but it's looking very beautiful. And you can see this one also, the flower type, they put the flower type like this. It is looking in the middle blue color, looking very beautiful, brothers and sisters, looking very beautiful place. The lights and the blue color lamp. And you can see this one also, the ring light, it is beautiful, it is looking beautiful, very beautiful it is looking. And you can see this one also very beautiful. It's the lines and the all, it is looking very beautiful lines, looking very beautiful, and so a blue color theme. In blue color they put the decoration and all, looking very beautiful, very aggressive decoration they did for this one. The blue color and the up you can see it is also beautiful. You can see this one also, the looking very beautiful, the lines and the lights, bulbs looking very beautiful, lights and bulbs. You can see the fan also, white color fan, the white color fan you can see. And this one also very beautiful, the lines and the all looking very beautiful. The black color bed and window you can see outside from the window, very beautiful place. And this one also, the beautiful VIP room decor, this one, the door, it's very. So if you guys like this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families. And also thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all. So I hope you like this video.